Welcome to the travel guide of Dubai. A towering oasis on the northern edge of the Arabian Peninsula and hugging the Persian Gulf, Dubai is an exemplary city known around the world for its rich heritage and warm hospitality. Often finding itself at the top of a list of places to visit, Dubai is visited by millions of leisure and business visitors every year. Fondly known as the playground of the rich and Las Vegas of the Middle East in traveling circles, Dubai has everything that one would want from a holiday destination: white sand beaches, sweeping desert dunes, historical city quarters, some of the world's largest shopping malls, exhilarating theme parks, a plethora of outdoor and adventure sports, magnificent skyscrapers, and much more. A captivating water, music and light spectacle in downtown Dubai, the Dubai Fountain is the world's tallest performing fountain. At over 900 feet in length, equivalent to over 2 football pitches, the Dubai Fountain is situated on the 30-acre Burj Lake and performs to a selection of different melodies. The fountain has a unique design comprising 5 circles of varying sizes and 2 arcs and features powerful water nozzles that shoot water up to impressive heights. Over 6,600 wet super lights and 25 color projectors create a visual spectrum of over 1,000 different water expressions, while 50 color projectors provide a full spectrum of color with a total output of 1.5 million lumens. The fountain performs to a range of different songs from classical to contemporary Arabic and world music. When operational, the fountain has over 22,000 gallons of water in the air at any given moment. Sights, sound, sail. Set sail on a traditional Abra for an ultimate ride on the Burj Lake, home to the world's largest performing fountain. The Dubai Fountain Lake Ride gives you front row seats to the best show in town. A brand new floating platform located within the Dubai Fountain, the boardwalk allows you to get closer than ever, giving you a whole new perspective of the captivating performances. Guests can start their journey from Burj Park or Fountain Promenade and stroll down the 272-meter boardwalk, with the closest point putting you only 9 meters away from the fountains. Burj Khalifa, 829 mount that is 2,717 feet, is the world's tallest building since 2009. If you have a fascination with magnificent superstructures, especially the skyscrapers, the Burj Khalifa is a must-have experience for you. As any project associated with Dubai is massive and gigantic, this building is Dubai's most iconic structure, which redefines the term supertall, is 1,046 feet taller than the world's tallest building till then, the Taipei 101. It is a must-visit for any visitor to the kingdom, being arguably the most prestigious address in the world. It is the ultimate symbol of glamour, glitz, and over-the-top excess for which Dubai is very well known. Located in downtown Dubai, which known for its famous skyline, this needle-shaped superstructure attracts tourists from all across the globe. This is the location for some of Hollywood's best action movies. Dubai Mall holds the name tag of being the largest mall in the world. Located in Financial Center Street, along Sheikh Zayed Road, next to Burj Khalifa. It includes over 1,200 retail shops, attracting 54 million visitors every year. It is the perfect catch location for shopaholics. One can get literally anything one could think about at this place, making it one of the most visited places in UAE and a mandatory attraction that we can't miss in our itineraries. This renowned mall is located near the Burj Khalifa on the Financial Center Road in downtown Dubai. Dubai Fountain and Burj Park are located only a hop, skip and jump away from this celebrated attraction of Dubai. Dubai Mall is an architectural marvel just like its neighboring attraction, the Burj Khalifa. This place is a blend of everything, giving a feel of ubiquitous to all its visitors coming globally. This is the crowning food hub spot for all the food lovers out there. It offers from Chinese, French, Indian, Italian, Japanese, Middle Eastern, and many more such food options to the foodies. There are multiple restaurants offering different options from fine dining to fast food, all under one roof. One can think of something and you shall not get disappointed, and you don't miss out on anything you wish to buy off. Especially for the shoppers, during festival times you have great discounts rolling out, so it becomes a must to hit those amazing stores. The mall has so much to offer to different age groups and not restricting to the adults but welcoming the children as well, making it a must-visit destination for every tourist visiting Dubai. If you're looking for a one-stop holiday destination, Atlantis, the Palm has it all. One of Dubai's most visited locations, there's no wonder this 5-star Palm Island destination appears on so many postcards, holiday selfies and Instagram posts. You can expect endless entertainment with top-rated dining outlets, unique aquarium experiences and outstanding architectural feats at this world-famous luxury hotel. The massive resort spans several acres, offering over 1,500 rooms, exclusive suites and super suites, including coveted underwater rooms. Encounter a world of wonder if you walk through the lobby, with exquisite decor, intricate sculptures and ambient lighting, all in sync with the pervading aquatic theme. You can also enjoy unprecedented views of the Dubai skyline from your Palm Jumeirah hideaway. Burj Al Arab with its sailboat-shaped silhouette is one of the most famous landmarks of Dubai. Promising visitors an unbeatable combination of beauty, art and breathtaking, upscale experiences, Burj Al Arab has successfully lived up to its reputation as the most luxurious hotel in the world. Located on a man-made island, Burj Al Arab is a distinguishable architectural marvel and the face of modern Dubai. Burj Al Arab has 199 exclusive suites, more than 5 restaurants, 2 swimming pools, a spa, a helipad, and a whole lot more. The hotel lies around 30 minutes away from the Dubai International Airport and at a 15-minute walk from Souk Madinat Jumeirah. Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai also offers complimentary access to Wild Wadi water park for all guests. Wild Wadi is one of the most popular theme parks situated in Dubai and boasts an arsenal of rides and slides. Perhaps the most well-known ride in the park, Jumeirah Sarah, is the tallest and fastest freefall water slide outside the Americas. One of Dubai's most popular and super affordable family-friendly attractions, Global Village is known for its numerous pavilions, array of international cuisines, market stalls, rides and shows. Global Village opens at 4 p.m. and closes at midnight. During Ramadan, the opening hours are different, with the attraction opening at 6 p.m. and closing at 2 a.m. Tuesdays are reserved exclusively for ladies and families, except on official public holidays. When you purchase a ticket to Global Village, you get access to the park, 27 country pavilions, an authentic Emirati heritage area and the Road of Asia. These pavilions are UAE, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Kuwait, Afghanistan, Africa, Americas, China, Egypt, Europe, India, Iran, Japan, South Korea, Lebanon, Morocco, Pakistan, Palestine, Syria, Thailand, Turkey, Yemen, Russia, Qatar, and Oman. That's not all, as there are live shows and entry to the kids' theater included too. Food is a massive focus at Global Village. There are more than 200 restaurants, cafes and street food options at Global Village. Dubai Creek is one of the Emirates' most beautiful areas that especially stand out for its conventional atmosphere and appeal. Regardless of the record-breaking points of interest involving tall structures and exciting settings that dab over the city, this serene area still exhibits the brilliant past architecture and vibe. Entry to Dubai Creek is open and free, however, if you are planning to opt for some activities or special entries to various attractions, then you will be required to pay some amount. Nestling in the heart of Dubai is a saltwater creek called Dubai Creek. Being one of the best places to visit in Dubai, it greets thousands of onlookers daily. Those who have marked their presence here were successful in discovering both the traditional and modern culture of Dubai. It was the first president of the UAE, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan, who was the driving force behind the big project of building the mosque. Hence its name. His main intention was to build his own final resting place, which it eventually became, and his body now resides in the courtyard of the mosque. Once inside the mosque, you'll quickly notice why this place is such a popular site in Abu Dhabi. Not only is it one of the world's largest mosques, but a true architectural work of art featuring 82 domes, 1,000 columns, 24-karat gold gilded chandeliers and the world's largest hand-knotted carpet. It is made of wool and has an incredible size of 5,700 square meters. It's clearly no wonder why the total project took more than 2 years to be completed. Inside the main prayer hall, you also find one of the world's largest chandeliers hanging from the ceiling. It is 10 meters across, 15 meters tall, and weighs 12 tons. Construction of the building started in 1996, and it took 12 years to complete this architectural masterpiece. The mosque is situated at the entrance to Abu Dhabi Island between Muzaffar Bridge and Makda Bridge. While heading to Zabil Park before, you will notice a huge facility gliding 150 feet into the sky. Along with a lovely golden veneer, scrutinizes like an immense frame popular as the Dubai frame. It is a landmark configuration that seized nearly 5 years to assemble and unlocked its gate for locals and tourists on January 1, 2018. The surface of the Dubai frame has a detailed logo of Expo 2020 that decorates it throughout. One would sense that the golden circle's Expo 2020 is covering the whole aluminum and glass edifice. The golden frame Dubai, on the other hand, is one of the promising attractions to explore in the City of Gold. There is no shortage of stunning beaches in Dubai. From public to private beaches, there are plenty of options here. Jumeirah Open Beach, formerly known as Russian Beach, is also one such popular public beach in Dubai. Jumeirah Public Beach has many facilities for visitors. You can buy anything you could need in terms of food and drinks from the stores located nearby. There are clean, well-equipped public toilets and changing rooms at the beach. To keep everyone safe, lifeguards are also present. Among the activities, you can visit the Bouquet restaurant to satisfy your cravings for seafood. There are many other restaurants in Jumeirah as well that offer delectable cuisine. The perfect encapsulation of old and new, Souk Madinat Jumeirah is a shopping and dining destination next to the iconic Burj Al Arab. Whether you're looking for souvenirs, jewelry, or something a little more decorative, this old-style bazaar is the perfect place to indulge in a little retail therapy. Inside, it's an endless maze of tiny alleys and wood-framed walkways, with a colorful treasure trove of little stands and stalls that sell all kinds of clothing and local trinkets. Souk Madinat Jumeirah is less traditional than the souks you'll see in the Old Town, but there are still lots of little touches that give a flavor of local culture. The wind tower accents and handsome Moorish design are the perfect homage to the heritage of an old Arabian market. With nearly 50 different bars and restaurants on site, personal preference lies at the heart of the dining experience here. You could try a flagship Indian, taste ancient recipes at the local Persian, or even spend time in the wintry wonderland of a traditional alpine eatery. The prettiest al fresco spots sit clustered alongside the canals, sun traps by day and enchanting at night. Take a seat on the terrace to make the most of the Burj Al Arab backdrop. Kite surfers and its audience would love to head to Kite Beach, stretching along the Jumeirah Road. With its silky, lazy white sand, this beach remains active with the array of numerous fun activities, and thus keeping its visitors entertained throughout. The shimmering colors of the sea in front and the eye-catching view of different skyscrapers of Dubai at the back further increase the beauty of this beach. The Mall of the Emirates in Dubai is a must-visit place which caters multiple entertaining activities to the tourists under one roof. It is known to be one of the largest malls in the world and has 630-plus brands under one roof, covering the area 233,467 square meters. The mall is also a structural pride of the city. This heart of Dubai not only vests the departmental store's lifestyle and fashion but also has electronics, sports, and the biggest Carrefour in the whole city. It serves you with many fascinating activities of Dubai at one place, like the Magic Planet, Vox Cinemas, Theatre of Rhodes, and the jaw-dropping Ski Dubai. With more than 100 cafes and restaurants to serve some of the delicious meals and snacks, it presents you the authentic flavors and the richness of the culture of Dubai. One can never be disappointed visiting the Mall of the Emirates. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and find it informative. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share our videos.